Taiwanese beef noodle soup. We have beef shank, beef neck bones, garlic, ginger, tomato, onion, scallions, Chinese spices, rock sugar, and doubanjian, which is a fermented spicy bean paste. First, cleanse the bones by boiling them. While it's heating up, we'll toast the spices. We have dried chili, bay leaves, star anise, Chinese cinnamon, Sichuan peppercorn, coriander seed, fennel seed, and cumin seeds. These should all be available in your local Asian supermarket. If not, you can order them online. Next, caramelize the doubanjian. The spices should now be toasty and fragrant, and the bean paste should be a shade darker, maybe. After boiling the bones for about 5 minutes, we should see some foam coming out. We will strain out the water and rinse off the bones. Next, heat up some oil in the pot. Once it's hot, return the beef and get a nice sear. Flip over to brown both sides. Add the chopped garlic and ginger. Then the chopped onion. Add a 1/4 cup of Shaoxing cooking wine. A 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, about an 1/8 cup of dark soy sauce.
Let's throw some rocks in there.
Then add the spicy bean paste. Then the chopped tomatoes and scallions. And finally add the toasted spices. You should use a cheesecloth for the spices, but if you don't, it's fine. Oh yeah, and also add some 5 spice. Add water to cover all the ingredients. Turn the heat down to low and cover. Snap for 5 hours. Alright, let's take a look at the soup, and it looks great. It's thickened up a good amount thanks to the onions. And have a taste, and yeah, it's good. For noodles, we'll boil a pot of water. I have a bundle of fresh wheat noodles. Any noodles will do, but I like wheat. After a few minutes, throw in some bok choy. Let's taste the noodle for texture. And I like the noodles to be a little firm, so it's ready now. Strain out the noodles in the bok choy and begin serving. So get a little bit of noodles, get some bok choy. Pick out some pieces of beef. Ladle out the soup. I'm using a strainer to keep out the spice solids. We wouldn't need to do this if we use a cheesecloth, but whatever. We now have a nice looking bowl of Taiwanese beef noodle soup. It has a savory, complex flavor. It has a good balance between the spice, the beefiness, and the fragrance. Thank you for watching.